Today we're diving into an exciting first look at the highly anticipated iPhone 17 series. We'll discuss the stunning new color options, reveal all the details about the epic upgrades coming your way, and share everything we've learned so far. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest updates as we get right into it. While it feels like the iPhone 16 just launched, leaks and rumors about the iPhone 17 are already making waves, and if history is any indicator, a lot of this information could prove to be spot on, just like it was last year. Let's start with the big news. The iPhone 17 Pro models are rumored to feature Apple's groundbreaking 2nm chipset, which will be officially named the A19 Pro. This innovation is set to be a game changer in the tech world. Manufactured by TSMC, Apple is leading the charge as the first company to integrate this advanced chip into a smartphone. The A19 Pro is expected to deliver an impressive 15% boost in performance without increasing power consumption, making it both faster and more efficient. Beyond raw power, this chipset is also set to enhance overall energy efficiency, ensuring a better and smoother user experience across all applications. Now, we've also got the news that the entire iPhone 17 lineup will feature a graphite sheet for improved heat management, with the Pro Max also receiving an advanced vapor chamber cooling system. This upgrade is expected to significantly boost performance across all models. One major update for the standard iPhone 17 models is the inclusion of an LTPO 120Hz OLED display, addressing years of user complaints. According to a new report from ET News, there will no longer be any refresh rate differences between iPhone 17 models. Even the rumored iPhone 17 Air, or possibly the iPhone 17 Slim, will feature a 120Hz display. For the Pro models, another big display change is on the horizon. Reports suggest the Pro series may introduce an under-display Face ID sensor while retaining the punch hole design for the front camera. This rumor has been circulating among leakers for some time, with some speculating that Apple might eliminate the dynamic island for Pro models. However, analyst Jeff Pugh has shared that the new Face ID system will use a meta lens, making it flatter and smaller. He also suggests that the dynamic island will remain, but in a more compact form. Ultimately, we'll need to wait and see how these changes play out. Next, we have some exciting news about Apple's upcoming Pro models. It's been confirmed that Apple is planning to introduce a major camera upgrade. The Pro models will feature a 48-megapixel periscope camera, significantly enhancing the quality of zoomed-in shots. Additionally, the front-facing selfie camera is set to receive a boost, going up to an impressive 24 megapixels. Unfortunately, these upgrades will be exclusive to the Pro lineup, leaving standard models unchanged in this area. On top of that, Apple is reportedly incorporating their very own Wi-Fi 7 chips into the iPhone 17 series, promising faster and more reliable wireless connectivity. For the Pro model specifically, an upgrade to 12 GB of RAM is also on the cards, ensuring next-level performance for power users. In other updates, a tweet from well-known leaker Magan Bu has sparked discussions about potential design changes. According to him, Apple might be replacing the traditional volume buttons and the action button with a single multifunctional button. This new button is rumored to utilize advanced sensitivity technology, allowing it to perform multiple actions depending on how firmly or lightly you press it, somewhat resembling a capture button. While this sounds innovative, it's worth noting that Magan Bu's track record with leaks hasn't always been reliable, so it's best to take this claim with a pinch of skepticism for now. We'll likely see at least one new color option in the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup. The most talked about possibility is a vibrant product red, but there have also been whispers about shades like teal green and dark green titanium making their way to the Pro models. However, these green hues seem too similar to each other in previous offerings. Adding so many new colors at once seems unlikely, and green may not cut it this time. Overall, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be one of Apple's most exciting releases in recent years. This time, even the non-Pro models are seeing major upgrades, like the introduction of larger 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch displays, a feature that was previously reserved for the Pro models. Beyond that, Apple appears to be doubling down on its advancements in artificial intelligence and computational power. With the enhanced A18 Bionic chipset and the inclusion of upgraded RAM in the Pro variants, we can expect a significant boost in both performance and efficiency. These updates will bring greater versatility to tasks like gaming, photography, and multitasking, making this lineup a compelling choice for users. That said, for those who already own the iPhone 16, the similarities might not justify an immediate upgrade. However, if you're using an older iPhone or are considering switching to Apple for the first time, the iPhone 17 could be the perfect entry point into the ecosystem. Between its cutting-edge features and sleek design, it promises to deliver an exceptional experience for both new and seasoned iPhone users alike. The iPhone 17's official launch is still a while away, but as we get closer, more details will start to surface. We'll be sharing all the latest updates as soon as they come in, so be sure to subscribe to stay in the loop.